Hi everyone. Today I ran into another Mitsubishi elevator throwing an EF error code. We already bypassed the weighing system and tried the usual power cycle restart. But that EF code just wouldn't clear. So today, we're gonna dig in and find the real problem. Here's the weird thing. When the elevator was at the top floor, a power cycle did get it running again, temporarily. But then, when it got down to the first floor, this happened. It leveled fine, opened the doors. But after closing, instead of staying put, it started going down again. It kept going down until it hit the lower limit switch, stopped, and then opened the doors again. Up on the car top board, it just showed F, which is normal. So, this isn't a door system issue. My first guess, bad leveling sensors. Because the car was level at the bottom. But it still tried to go down. Like it wasn't detecting the leveling signal properly. Get out my multimeter. Checked the mag read leveling sensors with my meter. Both of them tested fine. Alright, I was about to head down to the pit to grab a screwdriver. And that's when I spotted this little guy just lying there. It's the roller. From a hoistway switch. Checked the lower limit and final limit switches. Those were okay. But the roller for the deceleration switch. Totally missing. Well, there you go. Looks like we found our culprit. Join the discussion below. What do you think?